Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to search for only playlist on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to search for only playlist on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to search for only playlist on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to search for only playlist on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Searching for only playlist is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing search bar at the top center. Search for a keyword and then press search, or you can simply click on enter. Now you are seeing filters in right side. Click on it. Now in type section you are seeing different options. Click on playlist. Now you will only be able to see playlists. There you go. If you wanted to know how to search for only playlist on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.